What's up, guys? Big Kurt 35 doing a recap for our soccer break last night. It was 6-box break number 7, 2 random teams. These were all of our randoms we'll need to do. Take you through the good stuff real quick. Ronaldo, Messi, Falco, red. Ronaldo, Ozil, that needs to be randomed. Ecuador, red. Yoshida, Japan, purple. Baggio, blue. Vincent Company. Guys in the room, pay attention to this. Because, well, soccer's filled anyways. Luke, Wilkshire, red. Benzema, red. Götze, blue. Invisifractor. Oscar, red, and Evra, blue. There you go. And then these guys were nice. Refractor, Portugal, Ronaldo. Buffin, auto. Clint Dempsey, auto for the U.S. of A. And a gold, Sergio Ramos for España. There you go. It's out of 10, 6 out of 10. So there you go. Doing some more tonight. Peace.